Hey everybody, hey Gravy Flips. I wanted to make a quick video just to encourage, those of you out there who need, some extra money and are desperately trying to find a way to provide for your family or to like build your video game collections or even do like some weekend travel. I don't care. Whatever your reason is for needing some extra funds. I think it's important to know like really why it's important to find a niche that you can do to resell. Like people on my channel, they love the video game content. I love picking up collectibles and video games, but like the money is in selling furniture locally. Like I just did one trip, 50 minutes. I picked up, let me see if I can show you. I picked up this 7-piece sectional for free. I literally got this for free. Yeah, I mean, it's not perfect by any means. Like if you go over here, you can see that it has some fraying on the edges, but that's gonna sell for at least $300. And all I have to do is just take a picture of it, put it on Facebook Marketplace, throw it on the internet, and wait. I use those links that I've showed on the videos that I make. And you guys, like, I know we like to buy and sell video games, but like that market is so busy. I'm literally spending money close to $2,000 a month on ads just to get first dibs on video games so that I can show you guys some cool video game hauls. Where do you think the majority of that funding comes from if I don't actually get any good video game finds? I mean, every once in a while, I get the message, but like, let's talk some numbers here, okay? So I just drove 1 hour and then an hour back, okay? It's probably about $40 in gas with my truck and my trailer, okay? I used that dolly, it cost me $200 at Tractor Supply, and, all these fit in my 6x10 trailer. I would at least need a utility vehicle, but after I picked that up, my wife sent me a post of this IKEA bed. It looks disassembled, but that's because I had to take the feet off to get it out the door, so the bed is looking up. It's a really nice IKEA sleeper sofa that, again, I got for free. And if I can sell that for $100 and I can get $300 for this sectional right here, that's $400 for about 2.5 hours of work, just driving there and back. I get to, and while I'm driving, you know what I do? I don't just like whistle Dixie. You could spend time doing that, but I take the time to listen to other reselling channels or other channels about side hustles to really try to figure out like what kind of things people can do to make some extra money. I'm a full-time teacher and I love teaching, but my salary is fixed. I've changed schools because, I have a master's degree and it was like 7 years of school. And like, I was only making my first teaching job, I was making $36,000 a year, which was like $999 after taxes and everything every 2 weeks, right? Now I make, more than double that, but that's because I've been teaching for 10 years. And believe me, I love teaching. I went to school for it. I've taught in other countries. Teaching is a great thing. And that's a lot of the reason why I like to do these YouTube videos and inspire you guys to get out there, because like I found success in flipping furniture that I can get for free or close to it. And all I need to get started and all I need to make more money than I can make in a week teaching or some other salary job is just A, the knowledge, B, the time, and C, the drive. With my Gravy Flips channel, hopefully I'm bit by bit giving you the knowledge, and hopefully this channel and these videos are inspiring you to get out. But like, all you need to get started here is a vehicle that can move some stuff, whether it's dressers, you just need a dolly. And if you're real in the game, you can get a truck and a trailer. But hey, the other thing you're gonna need is storage. I spend like $80 a month on this storage unit. Everything in here I've gotten for free or close to it. Like seriously, that really nice couch right there, I paid $50 for it, and I've got it listed for like $300. It's a really nice couch. I've got more than 4 storage units, and it works for me, guys. I don't know. I'm thinking about making a guidebook on how to get started flipping things for free locally because here's the real numbers, okay? And I'm going to say this as a walking video, okay? You only need to sell $250 per day in profit. Let me say that again. You only need to sell $250 per day in profit. So one sectional like that, or 2 to 3 dressers at $75 a piece, to make 6 figures. Yes, over $100,000 flipping furniture and items locally. Let me say that again. $250 per day in sales. That's 365 days in the year. Yeah, I know, it's a lot. But when you can do it, you go get something for 2 hours and then you spend what, 20 minutes to sell it? If you have to deliver something, you know, big whoop. Another strategy I use is when I bring someone a couch, I put on there that I'll take their other couch to the dump for like $100 extra. The dump is right next to my house. All I gotta do is just throw a thing in there, and it costs me like $24 to drop it off. So that's netting me another $75 every time I do that. So, you know, for people to be so fixated on selling just video games, you are seriously leaving money on the table. I was talking to a local video game store owner, and he's a great guy. He owns a coffee shop too. And his quote was probably the best. So Ben, I'm quoting you here. He said, "Everybody can tell you the value of Mario Kart 7 on the Nintendo DS. Everybody in the world could tell you that. And paying $1 more for that, oh my gosh, that's a cardinal sin. But a nice sectional like this, dropped off at someone's house, there is no worldwide eBay market for this. You can make the price. It's just supply and demand. There are not many people in the area that's willing to drive to somebody's house and drop off furniture to them. Also, there's not many people who are willing to go to someone's house and pick up the free furniture, okay? So let me show you a little bit of my storage unit here. So here's just like an example of some things that I picked up. You know, you've got dressers. Hang on, I'm trying to get the angle. We've got dressers. This is a really nice dresser I got for free. It's beautiful. It opens up like that to a mirror. I could easily get $100 for this one. You know, antique dressers. But check out this couch I got for like, it's like an Ashley Furniture one I got for like 50 bucks. You know, diaper changing tables. They even sell for 30 bucks. I got 1, 2, 3. There's probably about 6 dressers just in the storage unit. And in my other ones, I've probably got another 20 to 25. All you have to do is just get out there and find the hustle. You don't need a truck. Even I was pulling around a trailer with my RAV4 before I got my truck. I only got my truck because in the past year, I've really been kicking up my local reselling game. And like, guys, it's life-changing. It really, really is. Just keep an Excel spreadsheet for taxes to know how much you paid for something, how much you didn't pay, or how much you drove. Because every mile that you drive is like 60 cents that you can write off for tax purposes. But hey, guys, if you're sick of the grind, if you're sick of going to McDonald's or going to Walmart and being told what to do, by following my channel and following these strategies that we do, guys, like, you can be your own boss and you can work when you want, or you can supplement the extra income that you need so that your wife can stay home with the kids. That's exactly what I do. I've got a 10-month-old at home. I've got the most amazing wife in the world, but I do the side hustle thing so that she can be at home with the kid and doesn't have to worry about the income part. Yeah, she helps a ton. She lists things on eBay and everything, and on our Shopify store. And she helps me move big couches that I need a hand with. But like, this morning, she can just go to swimming lessons with our kid, and she doesn't have to worry about income because, you know, I just made $400 in one $200 trip. This is the second furniture haul I've done today. I picked up a nice dining set for about, someone had it posted for 400 bucks, and I picked it up. It's a really nice 6-piece or 6-chair, kind of like a cherry dinner table with 2-leaf extensions that I think is going to get me about 250 bucks. How far did I have to drive? 10 minutes up the road. The lady was just proud that I was just not proud, but just happy that I got rid of it for her. So please, guys, don't be obsessed with just video games. That is such a saturated market. Why is it saturated? Because they're easy to ship and they don't require much work, guys. Please hit like, hit subscribe. Let's get this channel to 1,000 subscribers so that I can start doing ads, so that I have more, you know, because time is money, right? It takes me a lot of time to come out here and make videos for you guys. I need to get this stuff monetized so that I can at least say that I'm not, quote unquote, wasting my time. I could just go back to doing what I'm doing, happy, right? So please, if you find my content beneficial, or you just want to support the channel, I'm not asking you guys for money, just hit like, hit subscribe, and don't forget to enter in the sweepstakes for that sealed Grand Theft Auto 3, okay? Thank you so much, everybody, and I will see you on the next video. Brian is signing out.